Wonderfros, welcome back to my channel. It's Ev, and today one of you guys have requested that I play around with my finger coils / faux locks for a little bit and show you guys a few styles that I do with them. I have done a few of these styles, some of them I have not done. They are just for the sake of the video, just so you guys can see how versatile this style is. I still absolutely love them, but they will probably be in for maybe about like 4 or 5 more days, and then I'm probably gonna film the uncoil unlock video, and that's gonna be an interesting one. But before we get started, take one quick second, go down below, click that subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos from me, and thumbs up if you like this type of content. And without further ado, let's jump into it. These styles are pretty simple and easy to achieve. All you're gonna need is a couple of scrunchies, and basically for your parts to be neat. At least I feel like that's the easiest way that I can part my hair. I mean, I really don't have to part my hair. That's the easiest way I can like section off my hair and for things still to look somewhat put together. So I'm just gonna get started.
No. Original. Original bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man, bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
Just say no.
Original bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
Just say
Original bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
Body nice. See, I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Yeah. Man, I tell her when she go low, say you gonna get me when I'm on low. Man, I tell her when she go low, bad man, I put you in a photo. Count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low down. Go down anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me a put you on a first class.
No.
Original bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
Just say
Original bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So you really your number one I control. So you really meant for the girls when they come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to be the one. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, them a coming at me yard, them a give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them a girls, them a tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got.
No.
Original bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
Just say
Original bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe.
Original bad man,
turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe.
let go. Yeah. Don't know. Oh yeah.
It's the original Batman.
One time. It's a bad man thing. It's Bodzy, baby. FAQs. Let's go.
FAQs.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can.
Standard.
Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Nobody can. Tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Killing on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business and will never ever finish. She know be one to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice. From my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes. One time, say she no one waste time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me feel lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling her body. Swinging and moving and killing her body. She ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want you to girl, you are me island too. Beauty now your body gives me eyes can see. Oh gosh, fire can cool. The way you want your body, get your fire can cool. Wait, she said she want the rundown. Bad man na me, they run town. Then I tell her my lady, my baby, make she calm down. Bad man na me, they run town. One time, say she no one waste time. Bad man, me na give her one time, night time. Say she want me feel lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Giving her the vibe, say she wanna roll. Moving on her body, say she don't wanna go. Bad man's on the floor, people them applause. Singing and rapping, I'ma be killing on the floor. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want you to meet you.
1, 2, I put it on you. Everything I do, girl, I do it for you. You, too, get it on me. Love the way you want, yeah, put it on me. 1, 2, I put it on you. Everything I do, girl, I do it for you. You, too, get it on me. Love the way you want, yeah, put it on me. Don't know, listen, bad man, on the instrument. I give it them one time. Bodzy, baby, yeah. Don't know, listen, bad man, on the instrument. I give it them one time. Bodzy, baby, yeah.
Whew, okay. This is the last style, y'all. I'm sweating. I am so hot right now. I am sweating. But this is the last style. It is a low ponytail. Obviously, you guys could put this in a low bun as well. But these styles are just extremely versatile. I actually feel like it's easier for me to style my hair in these faux lock finger coils than it is for me to style my loose hair, which is like, this is great, okay? I can actually throw my hair up in a ponytail and it be with the quickness. Y'all don't understand. Afro puffs are a whole 30-minute workout. But this is the last style, okay? I got a deep side part going here. And like I said in the beginning, if you have neater parts, then it will be easier for you to swoop it over one side, swoop it back the other side, whatever you want to do. So this is what things are looking like. We got the low ponytail and the other side. The great thing about these styles too is that you can make them as tight or as loose as you want. You do not have to snatch every baby hair and pull out your edges. It can be a really soft ponytail. Literally, if your scrunchie is new enough, you can just put your hair around in there once and it'll stay, which I think is amazing. And it comes out very easily as well. So I think these finger coils are super versatile. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you actually consider getting some of these, or if your hair is locked up already, definitely let me know down below in the comment section, because you know the style I really wanted to do that I couldn't achieve? It's the one where they like swoop it over to one side, right? And then they roll it. Like their hair is rolled in the back. And it looks like one of those 1960 vibes. Y'all know I'm tucking it down. You know I'm tucking it down. It's a whole roll, okay? And it's sad. Anyway, it's the swoop, it's the, you know, I've seen girls who have locks that do that, and I always think it looks so like goddess-esque. It just looks so cool to me. I am not skilled enough to achieve that look in this video, but I might just go look up how to do it before I take these out. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Remember to let your spirit, soul, and hair stay lifted like an afro puff, and subscribe down below to my world so you don't miss any more videos from me. And if you do, then I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.